All right, guys, emergency video. It's Monday, starts of the week, fresh. Bitcoin's gearing up for something. I want to bring it to your attention, so stick with me through this whole video. We just kind of been pushing up here past 100K, 105, topped out at like what, 107, 108. And I think it's fixing to do something. I'm going to show you an area I'm really interested in long in Bitcoin for another serious leg to the upside, something substantial. These little pussy moves I really don't care about. Didn't really trade this weekend, let it do its thing. Hopped into a short up here with the premium members today. That's kind of what we're sitting in. Oh, shocker, I'm short, right? So stick with me. I'm going to show you where I'm taking this down to. You got a couple charts to show you. The wave structure is quite clear to me. I'm pretty confident in this. Maybe that's a mistake. I don't know, but it feels good. Let's hop right into this, guys. Before we do, I just want to show you a lot of people saying I don't ever long this, that, whatever. Guys, back in here, if we remember, I longed this up here and we flipped short up here. We saw this move coming, guys. Here's the video. This was 11 days ago before it even happened, guys. I gave you the structure, told you we were long right here up to, 102-ish, looking to flip short, take it down, take that trend line out. And guys, I mean, it went right up to 104, pumped pretty hard, but we closed out at 102, and this thing dumped, right? It dumped, took the trend line out. It played out beautifully and perfectly. Such a quick bounce. I wanted to see this push down a little further, guys. I did. I do think it's going to take a different corrective route here. We're going to go over that, but this is the power of Elliott wave theory, guys. It really grounds me in my trading. It really shows me the wave structure before it happens. It shows me where liquidity is going to get taken out, guys. So I mean, if you're doubting it, that's on you. You're just not practicing it right. Obviously, nothing is 100% in trading. The wave structure, you're just kind of putting your best analysis down on the chart and trying to just forecast these waves best we can, but you get a pretty good feel the more you do it, guys. So trust the process. Let's get into this. If you do want to learn Elliott wave, guys, over in the free Discord, there is a free course right here. Just join the free Discord. It's pinned in the first comment down below. My Elliott wave bootcamp is right here. You click the link, you take the course. It's like a 3-hour long boot camp, pinned in the first comment down below. Just join the free Discord. It's found within there. Free for you guys. So go take it, learn it, and learn how I trade. Now, overall for BTC, I'm not denying that we have more upside. I think we're going to continue to just push higher and push higher. Really interested in this 130 to 140K level and area. Want to see a reaction up there, but I think we're going to just keep pushing higher. I put this in my video last week, Thursday or Friday, whatever day I posted that, and nothing's really changed. I think we're going to continue to push up in a more calculated manner, right? I think the pump's out of the way here, and we're just going to wiggle our way up here. So really, it's about forecasting, hey, let's zoom in on this. How do we make our way up here? That's what I'm looking for and how I'm trying to trade this on the smaller time frames. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to say we are going up higher. I think that's a general consensus probably, and I mean that's fair. I think we're going up to 130, 140. I would have loved to see a massive retrace here, and at that point I would have said, yeah, 200, 250, 270, 300, but I needed this retrace to happen, guys. It did not happen. We're continuing our push up, which is fine. Really would have loved the opportunity to hop in on a long down here and to take a massive trade up, but it just didn't give it to us. Who gives a shit, right? On to the next structure. But this is the most obvious thing. We're going to keep pushing to the upside. So we're going to go smaller time frame. I'm going to map out how I think this is going to occur and really try to forecast the waves on the smaller, for leverage trading purposes, guys. We leverage trade this stuff. I leverage trade on Blowfin, but you can trade on whatever the hell you want. I use Blowfin. They're no KYC, available in the United States and Canada, and they're the best exchange out there, in my opinion. It's what everyone's using. If you do want to trade on Blowfin, pin in the first comment down below is the link to get an additional bonus than the already existing bonuses, guys. Right now, the Chart Junkies community has 1,500 USDT. Will get airdropped into your account. If you click that link pinned in the first comment down below, you get a 1,500 USDT airdrop into your account. If you meet the trading volume requirements, pause the screen, see what you got to do. It's easy with leverage trading, right? So take advantage of that, pin in the first comment down below if you want to give them a try. But with leverage trading, we're just trying to map this thing out the best we can, right? For the ups and the downs. So let's look smaller time frame on this and see what's cooking. Let's see what's cooking. I'm trying to make this video quick for you guys. I don't want to extend it out too much. As this wave kind of progressed around the 2-hour time frame, it looks more and more either like our wave 5 has finished here. This is a finished impulse. And now we are putting in a correction. We'll impulse again. I love a long down here, guys. Sub 100K. Sub 100K. Let's push down. And that's quite literally what I'm short for. Call me crazy, whatever. We will service our trade. Stop loss will get moved, break even. This is not a loss no matter what price does, right? This is totally fine. You keep taking shots. You just got to know where to take the shots, right? But I'm not trying to long this for any substantial amount of time. As you can see, it just keeps coming right back and just pushing up. And, you know, I think we're pretty much locally topped right here for at least a flat correction. I want to see this trend line taken out again. I want to see this low taken out right here at 100K, right? So minimum, I'm pulling fibs right here. Give me 1 second. I'll get you a target. Pulling fibs right here for an ABC flat correction here. And I'm going to show you a different variation that says we do have a little deeper to go. Similar targets, but a variation that could be at play as well. But the easiest way I could draw it up for you is this right here is a correction. We have a finished 5th wave here. This was our correction, 3, 4, 5. Here's a correction, and we're just putting in gonna be putting in a series of 4 5s in accordance to our series of 1 2s that we have at the start of this thing. All of these 1 2 1 2 1 2, big impulse, 4 5 4 5 4 5, right? You know, that's what I see coming into play here. So I think by the looks of it, we're coming down at least back to this trend line. You know, obviously this is a key trend line. And the 1-to-1's sitting right there. I really like that area. It's a very high interest level for me. Around 100K. 100K. So I want to see this continue to push down to at least 100K. Potential to come to these lower fib targets, break the trend line, come down in here. If this is our flat, I'm going to show you a variation, right? That says we have a little bit lower. That says this low right here will break. But down in here, this is where I'm going to be looking long, guys. This is where I'm looking long for a nice leg up. That is clear to me, right? That's a clear long to take. I love it. And I will be looking to take that shot up to 115, 120. Shit, could pump to 130 on this move, right? That's where I'm going to take my shot at a long. I felt good about this long right here. That's where I took my shot on a long. And I closed out right here. We saw that coming. We saw this flat coming. Thankfully, we closed out. And thankfully, we were short on Ethereum up here as well. You know, and saw this move coming. Wanted to see this dump lower, but we saw this coming, right? Similar thing here. Similar thing here. Now, ready to be wrong, as always. Ready to be wrong. You know, ready for this thing to just keep pushing to the upside. Keep pushing to the upside. That's fine. That's all right. But you gotta stand your ground somewhere. You gotta have your conviction somewhere. Otherwise, you're never gonna take trades. All right. Another variation of this. Before we go over the next variation, real quick, this is the last variation, so stick with me. If you do want to, I did post this trade in swing alerts. Boom, trade fired, and we did a live stream today. I think I fired it on the live stream as well with everybody. Check out the premium Discord channels, guys. Just click upgrade here in the free Discord. Click the WAP link. Links directly with your Discord account, and you get access to all of these premium channels. I try to make it worth your money, so go see what's included. Once you're in the free Discord, you have access to the upgrade here channel. You can check it out. Click the WAP link. You'll see everything that's included right there. So check it out if you're interested. Now, going on to the variation. Instead of this being an ABC right here, right? Down up in here. Could come a little deeper. What if we're putting in a gnarly WXY, guys? A gnarly WXY where this is an ABC right here. Hey, we hit the extension. Extension's been hit up to the 1 fib beautifully. Guys, that's a beautiful hit off of that 1-to-1. I really am starting to gravitate more towards this count. And I really like it. We have a flat here. That's a first correction. We have an ABC here. That's a second correction that broke the high. Let's put in an expanded flat variation, a very complex expanded flat that just looks something like so. And that's the entire thing is our correction. Hey, I would be looking mega long in here. This is the shot for me. It might be a pipe dream. If we get a move like this, I'm going to be screaming to long this hard, right? If we pull fibs from the start of this correction down to the finished flat, up to where we just finished at 108, couple points of interest, the 1-to-1 fib, and then down in the 1618 box in this area. I can really see it flushing into this area. FOMC is Wednesday, guys. FOMC is Wednesday. Can we have a push into Wednesday, into FOMC, and then reverse? Can we have this move? Really looks good to me now. We'll see what happens, guys. I'll update you tomorrow. Hopefully we get some solid movement down. Looking to add to this position. Come on over to Premium Discord, and I post all my trades there where I'm adding, how I'm servicing these trades, where I'm moving stop losses. So I kind of air it all out there for you guys. If you want to learn how to implement Elliott Wave theory, that's the place to be. If you want to learn Elliott Wave, check out the free course in the free Discord. All right. Don't forget to take advantage of the Blowfin campaign pinned in the first comment down below. If you want to give Blowfin a try, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Everyone, trade safe. I love you.